Uy, diba? Hindi lang siya mukhang masarap, kundi oo, lasang masarap din. Right now, we are forming the yung sukarat na eh. We treat every ingredient special, meticulously, because ang gusto ko is when you taste the paella, the feeling that you get is the happiness in every time you bite it, you eat it. Yun ang aking yun ang aking gustong palabasin dito sa paella. To get the right experience, visit our Instagram and Facebook page, Stay Home Bistro. What are you waiting for? Vamos a comer! I'm happy to tell you that our paella, Stay Home Bistro, is now available at Cycle House Services. You can place your order there and they will deliver it right in front of your doorstep.